Yeah, it dumps about half the gas there. But it should have gas. Just push it in and turn it. Man.
You're just good at this stuff.
I'm gonna fucking go over there and it's gonna take 2 seconds. Watch this shit. It's gonna happen. I'm gonna have to have him hold the fucking phone so I can go fucking turn this key.
This has gotta go. Push button. You guys still need a key. Push button, huh?
It's not a push button.
I know, but you still need a key for a push button.
Yeah, to turn it on. Or something, yeah. Oh, hold my phone for a second. Oh, you almost had something there, it looked like. Oh no, that's the flashy security light. I'm posting this whole fucking thing, too, you know. Oh, yeah.
Turning.
Oh, alright, let me
Fuck you, you do it.
Alright. You can't get my face up. I'm a faithful kid. I'm not joking. Don't make me edit this.
I restarted anyway. Fuck you.
Fucking. Oh, yeah. What the fuck? Hey, I love it. Doesn't always go our way, man, but you know, right?